Do you want to create a poll on your iPhone using iMessage in iOS 26? Then you're in the right place. Let's begin the video. In iOS 26, Apple added some quality updates to iMessage, such as typing indicators, background changes, message screening with separate sections, and polls. Remember that you will require a group chat to create a poll and cast your vote. To create a group, make sure the contact numbers of your group members are saved on your device. Launch the iMessage app on your iPhone and tap on the Compose New Message icon. Now, enter your recipient's name. To add another person, tap on plus icon and type name. Follow the same steps to add more group members. Once you add the members, type a message and hit the send button. The new group will be created automatically. Now, open any group chat or conversation. To start a poll, tap the plus icon next to the message box. Select the polls option. As you can see here, the add comment or send option is highlighted, so write the poll title you want to create and enter the poll options. You can add up to 12 poll options at once. So, add poll options one by one. Please note that you can't edit the poll after sending it to your group. Once you've completed it, tap on the send icon. This will instantly create the poll chat on your iMessage group chat. When your friends react, you see their reactions come in real time. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.